Thank you for joining us for this evening tribute to 40 years of the Hmong in America. Before we dismiss you to dinner, may we please have another round of applause for our singers and our crew. And another round of applause for our actors